Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota 4Runner Nightshade. Now the most notable features on this Nightshade is its power folding running boards. You also have your navigation system and heated and cooled front seats. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota 4Runner Nightshade. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this Nightshade edition is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lamps, and as you can see with the front grille there, you have that darker shade of chrome on there. And if we take a closer look, you're going to see your plug-in block heater. You have your parking sensors, and over on the side you have your black style 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Now, the other nice thing is you do have your integrated signal lamps as well as your foldable mirrors. You do have the smart key system with it, so with the smart key system you can lock all the doors simultaneously just by pushing on the two little lines you see there on the handle. Push on it once, it'll lock all the doors automatically, and then if you put your hand between the handle, it'll unlock the front door for you as well. Now, as you can see, you also have the power folding running boards as well, so when you actually open up the doors, they'll actually fold out for you just to make things much easier for you to get back in. Now, the color we're going to be taking a look at today is black, and to start off with, we're going to be taking a look at your front dash as well as your front seats, just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. Now, you have your black leather interior seat surfaces with your power driver's seat and lumbar support. Over on your left-hand side, you have your mirror controls with your parking sensors on and off, window wiper de-icer, and as you can see with this button here, you can actually turn off the power folding running boards just in case you don't really use them. And then you also have your on and off switch for your rear cargo power outlet. Now, on the inside of your driver's side door, you have your window locks, power locks, window controls, both your front and rear windows, along with your seat memory control. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your scroll function, mode select, volume control. You have your Bluetooth voice recognition display and cruise control. Now, you do have that push button start, so all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Now, taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. Now, hitting the display button, you'll see a couple of different features, which include the cruising range, as well as your speedometer, and then you'll find your average fuel economy and a couple of other additional features. Now, down below on the screen there, you'll see your digital compass as well as your exterior temperature gauge. Taking a closer look now at your center dash as well as your touch panel display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. At the very top, you'll see your digital clock, you have your hazard lights. Heading into your apps menu, you'll see your navigation, audio, phone, as well as a couple of other additional features. You have the XM satellite radio, dual zone climate control settings. Underneath here, you'll see your USB and auxiliary input with your power outlet, heated and cooled front seat controls for your driver and passenger, 4x4 select, mounted to an automatic transmission. You'll find the open and close for your power rear window in the back here. And if we take a look just at the top here, you have your auto dimming rear view mirror, and a couple of the controls you'll find include your integrated garage door opener, traction control on and off, A-track, downhill assist control, along with your open and close and tilt up and down feature for your power moonroof. Now, at the very front here, you'll see your sunglass case holder. And I'm just going to throw this into reverse just so I can show you what the backup camera looks like. So as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you try to back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now, located just on your rear bumper, you're going to see your parking sensors just located right across. And as you can see, your badging is actually blacked out on the back here, and you'll find your backup camera just underneath your 4Runner emblem and your rear hatch release as well. Now, I'm just going to close in on the rear cargo space just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. Now, over on the right-hand side, you're going to see that rear cargo power outlet. So if you're ever out at the cabin or the lake during the weekend and you need to plug in your tools, you can do so. Or if you'd like, you can plug in a mini fridge or a couple of speakers. The other nice thing is you do have the cargo cover in the back, so if you want to make sure your valuables are actually covered up just while you're going from place to place, you can use it this way. You have a 50-50 split for your third row, so if you need the additional space, that's available to you, but if you do need some additional passenger capacity, it is available too. If you need more cargo space, you can actually fold down that rear seat as well. The other nice thing is that you can actually open up the power rear window from the outside here. So as long as you have your key fob on you at all times, just hold down on the down button here and it will actually roll down for you. Now if you let go of the button partway, it'll actually stay partway open. So you want to make sure you actually hold down that down button the entire time until it's folded down completely. And if you need to throw a couple of things back here really quickly, you can do so. And then vice versa, just hold down on the up button and it will close for you automatically. Now, if you forget to actually lock up the doors, don't worry, because when you actually close up the window this way, it'll lock the doors automatically for you. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. The phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.